Hello students, in the unit 2 our lesson is speak the truth. In your lower classes you would have studied in moral science and all, right? Always we have to speak the truth. Truth alone triumphs. That means truth will always win. Honesty is the best policy. Okay, every time we have to be very honest. Okay, so in this story, one boy is there, Santosh. What happens to him? Let's see. Santosh was a student of class 4. His teacher gave him homework every day. Santosh usually reached home at 4 p.m. He would have his snacks and then do his homework. Okay, Santosh was a boy who was studying in 4th standard. Okay, like you only. So he was studying in 4th standard, and every day teacher used to give him homework. So the boy will usually reach home by 4 o'clock. Okay, and after reaching home he will have the snacks and then he would do the homeworks. This is how you also used to do, no children. You will reach home by 4 o'clock, and after that you will fresh up and have snacks and you will do the homework, right? So let's continue. One day Santosh returned from school. He was happy to see his cousin Sandhya. She had come to play with him. Okay. One day when Santosh returned from school, Sandhya, his cousin, okay, she was there at home. So she wanted to play with Santosh. Okay. Santosh played with Sandhya the whole evening. He forgot to do his homework. The next day his teacher asked him, "Why haven't you done your homework?" Okay, what Santosh did? The whole evening. Whole evening means the full evening. Okay. The whole evening he was playing with the cousin Sandhya. Okay. And he forgot to do the homework. Next day what the teacher will do? She asked for where is the homework. Okay. So what Santosh replied, we will see. Santosh did not reply, but suddenly he thought of an excuse and said, "I had fever, madam." The teacher thought it was true and excused him. So what Santosh replied, he was thinking for some idea what excuse we can ask to teacher. So he thought of a lie. Okay. So he said, "I had fever." Okay. He didn't had fever at all. He was playing with his cousin, but he lied. "I had fever." Okay. Then the teacher also thought it was true. Okay, so teacher used to believe the good children, right? So she believed in Santosh words and she excused him. Excused him means though he didn't do the homework, she didn't punish him. Okay. Then now Santosh felt very bad. During the lunch break, he sat alone under a tree. He did not eat his food. So in the lunch break, Santosh felt very bad because he told a lie to the teacher. Okay, so he was feeling very guilty. That means he made some mistake, no? So he can't come out of that feeling. So he was sitting quietly under a tree and he didn't eat his lunch also. Okay. Suguna, Santosh's sister, was studying in the 7th standard in the same school. She saw her brother sitting alone and came to him. "Why are you not eating? You are looking dull. What happened?" she asked. Okay, so Suguna, Santosh's sister. So here you can see Santosh's sister. That is apostrophe S. That means Suguna is Santosh's sister. Okay. So she was studying in 7th standard in the same school. Okay. So in the lunch break, she saw her brother sitting so dull and quiet under the tree and without eating his lunch. So she came near Santosh and asked him why you are not eating. Okay, and what happened? Like that, Suguna asked Santosh. Santosh kept quiet for some time and then started weeping. Weeping means crying. Okay. Suguna waited for her brother to speak. Slowly, Santosh started. Yesterday, I played with Sandhya and forgot to do my homework. But I lied to my teacher. So, what Santosh said, he was feeling very sad, no, very bad about lying to teacher, no. So, he told the truth to his sister. Okay. So, what he said, yesterday and all he played with Sandhya and he didn't do the homework. But to the teacher, he said a lie. Okay, that he said to his sister Suguna. Okay, then Suguna listened to him patiently. Then she said, "Don't worry. Get up. Let us go to your teacher. Admit your mistake before the teacher." So what Suguna is telling now? Suguna said to Santosh not to worry and go and tell the truth to the teacher. Okay. Whatever she may give punishment or anything it can be. Instead of keeping the lie as such, he can go and tell the truth to the teacher. Like that, Suguna asked Santosh to come to the teacher. Both Santosh and Suguna went to the teacher. The teacher asked, "What do you want?" Okay, so both of them went to the teacher and the teacher asked, "What do you want?" Suguna looked at Santosh. Tears rolled down his cheeks. The teacher asked Santosh, "What makes you weep?" So there Santosh was couldn't control his tears. Okay, he started crying in front of the teacher. So the teacher asked Santosh, "Why are you crying?" Weeping means crying. Okay. Santosh replied, "Madam, I lied to you in the morning. I was not sick. I played the whole evening and I did not do my homework. Please excuse me." Now Santosh told the truth to the madam. Okay, he said, "I lied to you in the morning." And he was not sick at all. He didn't have any fever or anything. He just played with his cousin and forgot to do the homework. So that truth he told to the teacher. So he was asking, "Please excuse me." Okay. The teacher felt very happy. She consoled him and said, "You have admitted your mistake and now you have told the truth. Being truthful is always good." So what the teacher told, she felt very happy because he himself have understood that what he said, that lie, it's not good. Okay, that's why he came to the teacher and he told the truth. No, so she felt very happy and she consoled. Consoled means to make them calm. Okay, so she consoled him and said, "You have admitted your mistake." Okay, admitted means he accepted. He accepted his mistake and he told the truth to the teacher. Okay, so she said, "Being truthful is always good." Okay, which is good? Telling the truth, being honest only, it's good. Okay, for time being, you can escape from any punishment by telling lies. But that's not good. You have to tell the truth. That's only good. Okay, so that's the moral of the story. And here are the new words and their meanings. Okay, excuse, a reason that you give to explain your mistake. So what is the meaning of excuse? Reason that you give for your mistake. That is only excuse. Patiently. Okay, patiently means calmly. not that patient, doctor and patient, not that patient. This is some other meaning. Okay, calmly, that is the meaning of this patience. Admit, to accept that you have made a mistake, that is called admit. Then console, to make someone feel better when they are feeling sad or disappointed. Okay, someone is feeling sad means what you will do? You will go to them and talk in a good words. That is called consoling. Okay, it's a meaning. Okay, children, you all read this lesson. Read this lesson, understand it, and learn the new words. So that's all for this video. Thank you, children.